carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She should come out because she's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south set of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
She's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so.
And you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes.
On September 6th, 2024, officers responded to a felony shoplifting call at a Target retail location. Before contact, the subject shouted a familiar objection that officers cannot touch her without a female officer present. That belief is not the law. No statute requires a same-gender officer to complete a lawful arrest. Same-gender preference applies to full body searches, not to handcuffing or transport.
Jumps in cart.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She should come out because she's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south set of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, brother, put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags
I
down.
did not do anything. I didn't do anything.
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do.
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags
Why
down.
are you?
Could you take your backpack off as well? You have to.
That is.
Take your backpack off.
That is.
Take your backpack off. You're going to go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So.
This is. It's harassment.
What do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to
Is
listen to
this
him.
is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came in with all this.
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch. Stop! I'm not even doing anything. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment! You're not even supposed to put your hands on me without a female! You are breaking the law!
Take it off her hands. Alright.
This is mine! Yeah!
Just look at Mom, just stop. Give me your other hand, ma'am.
I wasn't even doing anything!
If you want,
I wasn't doing anything!
stop resisting.
I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look, it's your code for you. Have one
Stop yelling, please.
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
We're gonna stand
Get
here.
away from me!
He's gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up.
No one touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let
him.
me breathe!
Let me
I
help you out.
didn't do anything!
I'm gonna help you out. I thought you were fighting.
No.
Note the officer's private comment, the word optics will return in our analysis.
She's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Oh, where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's going on. This is London.
We don't carry cold.
Can we put her in here for now?
Yeah, my keys in.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Okay. As well?
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came in.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. I don't think so. That one. This all yours?
Yeah.
This is. These are. I don't know the Huskies. The Husky stuff I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably all the Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all this is mine. This is the tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these Husky stuff and Lucky stuff?
No, we only sell like the Gerber like
This is for
cheap
mine.
tools.
You're very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
Could be Home Depot.
yeah. You want me to go drive over to Home Depot and ask?
Yeah. Once we sort through all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These.
Or is this yours?
I can check and see.
It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
No. Came in with the purple and the Husky bag.
So I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs. And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can decide at any time to exercise his right.
All of you have done something. Shut
Yeah, let's do it.
That's also
All of this is yours?
everything right here is mine.
Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving.
all in my head?
Okay.
we'll put all this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll pull my car up and grab it. Do you have big bags? Huge bags? Oh, we could just use that. Look at that. Damn.
It's a lot of knives, man. Can't see her.
I think she's familiar.
Yeah, I know. That's the point. Are you gonna take the pepper spray?
Yeah, she's getting. Well, I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong.
They're going through all of the property to determine
No!
what you took. Yes, they
They're
are.
taking
And
shit!
said,
I just
Stop.
watched it!
they're sorting through everything
I
because there's stolen
just
merchandise in the car.
watched it!
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags! No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all of
not!
it. They're going to go through all of it.
That's...
Knife.
God damn it!
What's your last name? Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No!
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard! Oh, God damn you!
Richards?
Stop! God damn you, Bombsing!
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No!
Yes.
Bombsing!
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else target stuff?
Bombsing!
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front.
So the real legal question is whether the officer had authority to arrest at all. Under United States v. Watson, a warrantless felony arrest in a public place requires only probable cause. That probable cause came from loss prevention through what is called the collective knowledge doctrine. The officer did not need to personally witness the theft to make a lawful arrest. Once the arrest was lawful, the next legal question became the reasonableness of the force used. That analysis runs through Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. Graham weighs three factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The offense was a felony. The threat was moderate. The resistance was active and physical. Under those factors, a controlled ground stabilization sits within the objectively reasonable range. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not with hindsight. This case turns on a critical distinction: verbal protest versus physical resistance. Verbal protest, however loud, is generally protected and cannot support a resisting charge. Physical refusal of a lawful directive tied to the arrest is a different legal matter. Refusing to remove a backpack during handcuffing qualifies as physical non-compliance. That refusal, not the shouting, is what supports the added charge of resisting arrest. The roadside, sort of the bags, then triggers a second doctrine inventory search under Illinois v. Lafayette, decided in 1983. That inventory is generally reasonable. Its purpose is evidence preservation and safekeeping, not investigative fishing. The final framework worth noting is Miranda, established in 1966. Miranda applies only when custody and interrogation exist at the same time. Post-arrest questions about the subject's behavior can trigger it and should be handled with care. The officer's on-camera comment about optics is not a constitutional violation, but it is a liability signal.
You're 40 years old.
The same claim of harassment that opened this video, now with all the context,
and you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took the property that
Stop!
didn't belong to you?
Just stop.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to do?
Steal?
Stop! You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop! Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right.
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
No, when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because you know how. Oh.
You keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat.
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you were caught stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like
in my head.
this. No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are supposed.
What hurt,
Just
Stephanie?
Stop.
What hurt?
Just stop.
I can stop asking you questions if you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the didn't need to tackle me.
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me.
You had committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him. I wasn't doing anything.
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started pull my hands and
So he put his hands on you to stop you.
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay, what did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
Listen closely. What follows is an admission difficult to walk back in court.
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm down.
That is...
Okay. Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere? No? Okay.
On the grades, the arresting officer earns a B- for defensible force undercut by that comment. The subject earns a D+ for converting one charge into two through avoidable physical resistance. Lesson 1, verbal protest is protected. Physical refusal of a lawful arrest directive is not. Lesson 2, probable cause can rest entirely on relayed observations from private security. Lesson 3, every word spoken near a running body camera becomes potential trial evidence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.